Hey Shiba Army, what's going on guys? Welcome back to the channel. Here is your late night report. I have your latest updates guys. We're going to get into everything. Let's take a quick look at the global crypto market. As you can see guys, up over 8% in the last 24 hours. Bitcoin up over 13%. Ethereum up a little over 5%. Dogecoin up a little over 7%. Now taking a look at Shiba Inu guys, as you can see up a little over 3%, 3.6%, coming in at 7285. So 5 zeros followed by 7285. So guys, all in all, today's been a great day of being in the green. Of course, with the entire crypto market being in the green, of course, we are going to follow suit. So this is all great news for us guys. Not to mention that we're still the third most viewed cryptocurrency on coinmarketcap.com. Just a couple hours ago, we were actually the number 2 spot. The volume down about 31%, coming in at 499 million. Market cap is up about 4%, coming in at that 2.8 billion mark. Now, make no mistake, there is a reason why the entire crypto market is up over 8%, and we're going to get into that in just a minute, guys. But however, please consider subscribing, turning on those post notifications, and of course, if you like free money, if you want free stocks, sign up for WEBULL with my link in the description below, and you can get 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300. Now, the big news regarding the entire crypto market has to do with Bitcoin. So I know you're wondering, why are we talking about Bitcoin when this video is about Shiba Inu? Because generally when Bitcoin is in the green, we are going to follow suit and we're going to be in the green. Okay guys, so the world breaking news is that El Salvador, the country, has now made Bitcoin legal tender. Guys, this is incredible news because they are the first country in the world to adopt Bitcoin as legal tender. So it's only a matter of time before other countries start to follow suit and start accepting Bitcoin and using it as legal tender. So El Salvador's president has said it will bring financial inclusion, investment, tourism, innovation, and economic development for our country. So under the law, Bitcoin must be accepted by firms when offered as payment for goods and services. Tax contributions can also be paid in the cryptocurrency. So he goes on to state that if you go to a McDonald's or whatever, they cannot say we're not going to take your Bitcoin. They have to take it by law because it's a legal tender. The use of Bitcoin as legal tender in El Salvador will begin in 90 days. With the Bitcoin dollar exchange rate set by the market. Guys, this is incredible news. It's been a wild couple of days. The last few days we had outbursts from China, India, Donald Trump calling Bitcoin a scam, and now you have El Salvador claiming that it's legal currency. So this gives hope to any and all cryptocurrency. So we could one day see Shiba Inu used as legal tender. And here we keep thinking that getting to 1 cent would be an amazing accomplishment. So guys, all in all, great news for Bitcoin as well. That means all in all, great news for Shiba Inu and the entire cryptocurrency market. And our holders, guys, our holders are constantly increasing rapidly. Over 491,000 holders, guys. Come on. We got to get to that 500,000 mark. Now, we always talk about all the petitions that Shiba Inu was on, specifically Robinhood. Now, we know Robinhood is growing so fast as we have over 125,000 signatures. That goal still being about 150,000. Sign the petition, guys. I'll leave the link in the description below. However, there's also a petition for Coinbase, as I've mentioned before, which currently has over 33,000 signatures with the goal being at 35,000. So guys, sign that as well because we are so close to hitting that milestone. As well, there is also a petition to list Shiba Inu on WEBULL, which is my favorite, of course. Currently just over 1,000 signatures with a small goal of being about 1,500 signatures. However, once we start getting up to these milestones, it starts to increase. So guys, go over, sign them all. The more the merrier. Now just imagine if Coinbase, WEBULL, Robinhood all listed Shiba Inu, there would be millions upon millions of people being able to access Shiba Inu, purchase, buy, sell, trade. There would be such demand for Shiba Inu that the price would just keep going up, and all of us in the Shiba army that have been invested in Shiba for months, weeks or so would all be hugely in the green. Now guys, I found this article online. It's really exciting, talking about will Shiba Inu coin hit $1. So obviously we all know hitting $1 is very, very far-fetched, but we all like to dream, but we all got to focus on at least hitting a cent, which is still something that seems impossible to many. In the article it states, market realists laid out the plan for how SHIB coin could reach the $1 benchmark, which has been a goal for Dogecoin supporters. SHIB coin would need to climb 12 million% to hit $1. Since January, the coin has jumped about 2 million% every month. So it could, in theory, hit $1 by the end of 2021 if it keeps up that growth, according to the market realist. Continuing on to say if Shiba maintains that level of growth, it could reach $1 in 2021. However, if it grows at a rate of 20% per month, it would require 5 years to hit the $1 milestone, which points to 2025 at the earliest. So I know we always talk about market cap and what the market cap would be if Shiba Inu hits $1. Even if it hits a cent, the market cap would be astronomically high. However, with Dogecoin being at under 1 cent in December of last year in 2020, around Christmas time, New Year's, it was under a cent. And then about 4 months later, in early May, just a day or so before SNL when Elon Musk was on, Dogecoin hit a high of 75 cents. So here is a great piece of Dogecoin that's going to give everybody in the SHIB community, the SHIB army, hope. So as you can see here, if you bought Doge in January of 2017, it was trading at 0002, and you put in about $1,000, which would be about 5 million coins. Today that investment would be worth about $2 million, but the price has come down a bit, so doing the math works out to be about $1.7 million. Remember guys, take into consideration that I'm using today's price, which is about 34 cents. Now, just over a month ago in May, early May, just the day before SNL when Elon Musk was on SNL, Dogecoin hit 75 cents. So if you actually bought in 2017 at that 0002 price and sold at that high of 75 cents, you would be up over $3.7 million. But you know what guys, at the end of the day, you would have had to hold for over 4 years. And I don't think many people could. I don't think many people would have held for 4 years or could today. People get so paper-handed. The FUD kicks in even after a week, after a day. Like I said earlier, guys, nobody ever imagined that Dogecoin would be anywhere near $1. So at the end of the day, guys, anything is possible, you know, maybe with the right pump, but anything is possible. Everybody said this about Doge. It would never get anywhere near $1. And 75 cents is damn near close. I'm not even going to entertain $1. I think, like I said, it's very far-fetched. I'm geared towards more of a cent, which is still pretty out there, but I believe it's possible based on the fact that, hey, Dogecoin has done it, so can Shiba Inu. Now guys, in regards to Shiba Swap, we've heard time and time again that it's ready from the devs, from SHYTOSHI, from Eric, etc. However, guys, we know it's ready. It's going through the security audit by CertiK. I provided great updates in my last video on Wednesday, June 9th, and it explained how it's ready. They're testing, it's going through the security audit, and it's going to be released at any moment. Now, currently on the CertiK website, it states in progress under assessment by experts. So I'm not sure once it passes or once the results are available, if CertiK will announce it or if they'll wait for Shiba team to first go ahead with the announcement and then CertiK will post it. So it may very well be announced on the CertiK website prior to Shiba Inu announces the SHIB team, but you never know. However, Satoshi's main update and focus was to have everyone thinking, what are they going to do when it's released? What are you going to do with all your tokens when it's released? And with Bitcoin surging and driving the entire crypto market in the green, once we get that pass from CertiK, we can definitely be rest assured that it's going to be released at any given time. Guys, this is really exciting. This is a great piece of information here. Interactive brokers. So if you don't know Interactive Brokers, they're another broker just like WEBULL, like Robinhood. Now they are going to offer crypto trading by the end of summer 2021. Now what's really exciting is that Interactive Brokers, so as the last data that they've released as of March 31st, 2021, they've had over 1.33 million customers and about $330 billion of customer assets. So that's incredible. Imagine all those people and all that money going into crypto, and more specifically SHIB. Obviously they would have to be able to list Shiba Inu first. However, I'm sure a petition is going to roll out any minute now. Now, Interactive Brokers is one of the best brokerage firms. I used this when I first started trading, when I was doing a lot of day trading, about 10 plus years ago, and it was phenomenal. They had free trades back then. They were probably the first and only company that offered free trading. Now it's the norm, so I believe they set that precedent, and they have the best rates for margin. They're literally hands down the best broker if you're a serious day trader. I don't mean by trading every day, by a real day trader who trades 5, 10, 20 trades a day or more. Alright guys, there you have it, your late night report on Shiba Inu, guys. It's getting late. Go have yourself a great night. Enjoy your night, whatever time it is, wherever you are. Let me know in the comments down below. Did you buy more over the last few days when we were in the red? Were you holding strong, or did you panic sell and let paper hands get the best of you? Alright guys, please consider subscribing, turning on post notifications. It would mean a great deal to me. As well, if you want 2 free stocks, you want free money, you want a new broker, sign up for WEBULL with my link in the description below, and you can get 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300. Alright guys, as always, happy trading, happy investing, and I'll see you all in the next video.